Okay, well, as promised last week, we're having a little quiz on this Polygon stuff. So everything on the warm-up is something you need to know, so that way you can be ready for your quiz today. So I'll tell you now. I'll let you use your notes, okay? And I'll let you look at this on the board, okay? So these are things that you can use, just not your phone on the quiz. You know what I'm saying? But first things first. This blue thing. How many sides do we have here? Six-sided. What do you call a six-sided figure? Hexagon. Very good. Now, you got to name other figures, so if you're like, oh man, I don't know all those names, you got notes from Monday, last Monday, you should have that you can use, right? So hexagon. Okay. Now, is that hexagon concave or convex? It is regular, and it is convex because all the corners, all the vertices are pointing out, right? What would make it concave? If they caved in, going inward, right? Okay, so this is convex. Now, these bottom four. In this box, I'm giving you all four formulas. You just got to read it, okay? I got some people that are like, just tell me which one it is. Okay, I believe you, as young adults, can read. Okay, what does it say? Find the what? Sum of the what? Interior. So go over here and find the sum of the interior formula. What is it? Sum, interior, n minus 2 times 180. Okay? These key words in the sentence are in the boxes. Okay? So we're going to use n minus 2 times 180. What is n for a hexagon? What does n stand for? Do y'all know? Number of sides. Okay. So n is going to be what? 6. 6 minus 2 times 180. Can you plug that in the calculator? I already did. 6 minus 2 times 180 gives me 720. No big deal. 720 degrees. So again, if on the quiz it says what's the sum of the interior or the interior sum or something like that, okay, find it right here. Don't assume you know which one it is. Look for the key word. What about number 4? What are we looking for? The what? One interior. Don't use sum, use one. So over here it says one interior on the top right here. So it starts off the same. Look right here. N minus 2 times 180, but you have to divide by n. Okay? Very important. So again, my formula is n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. And my n for a hexagon is still 6, right? I'm going to do 6 minus 2 times 180 divided by 6. If you forget to divide by 6, it ain't right, okay? Now I plugged it in right here. You can type it in one step using control divide to make a big fraction. And I get 120. 120 degrees. Could you do that? Okay, if you see the words one, or maybe it'll even say each interior, you got to use the big fraction formula, okay? You have to divide by the number of sides. Last two, number 5. Key words. Find the what? Sum of the exterior. Sum of the exterior. Now, look, this is where people mess up. Sum of exterior says just the number 360. That means every single time, no matter what the shape is, the sum of the exterior is always 360. So guess what the answer is? 360. That's it, right? Now, sometimes people are like, oh, that's kind of weird. I don't know. What else should I do to it? And they start dividing. Don't divide, okay? If it's the sum of the exterior, you leave it just like that. 360 every time. Cool? But if it says one, number 6, one exterior, or each exterior, if you look at your little boxes up here on the top, bottom right, each exterior or one exterior is 360 divided by n. Does everyone see the difference between sum and one? Sum is 360. 1 is 360 divided by n, which means 360 divided by 6, because it's a hexagon. Okay, 360 divided by 6, I already did it, and I got 60 degrees. Okay. Oh no, hold on. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now, I don't mind leaving this on the board. Hopefully you can see those formulas, but you should have notes that you can use. I'll say it again. You can use your notes on the quiz. It doesn't take the whole class to take this quiz, but I'm building in some extra time on Friday. Not everyone turned this in. Does everyone hear me? Looking at the phone, look over here. Did everyone turn this in Friday? Because if not, after your quiz, I want you to work on angles of polygons. If you don't have it or you didn't bring it, it's in the blue bin. Okay? You can get it from 318. These other two, I'm grading literally right now. I'm about to put them in. So if you didn't turn in Tuesdays and Wednesdays from last week, before you get a 0 or a 1, okay, why don't you work on those after your quiz, okay? Maybe you have some of these and they're not finished. Finish them after the quiz. So does everyone understand? We're going to take this quiz, it's open notes, and then work on this missing work, if you have any, or incomplete work. While we take the quiz, like I said, open notes, but you got to put away phones and no talking or looking around, okay? So go ahead and get started with this.